define success by measuring only sheer volumes of arrest numbers would mean that more arrests must equate with greater success. This clearly does not move us towards the goal of crime reduction. Arrest numbers also do not attach any value to that arrest when one drug user equals the arrest of one drug kingpin. Consequently, reliance on output measures alone for grant funding mechanisms or police performance evaluations may actually cause drug enforcement initiatives to fail to seek out reductions in crime.
No. But the professor just made a number of suggestions: require reliability hearings, give Brady material earlier, and a few other things. Is there anything that she said that you think is not a good idea?
I'm not sure how practical some of those things would be. I think it's very important that we recognize that the informant is merely a tool or a resource used by law enforcement, and we need to change some of the paradigms or thinking about which law enforcement operates under to produce arrests. Otherwise, you know, the two dangers with an informant is that he obviously will lie, and then secondarily that law enforcement believes it operates appropriately to achieve higher arrests. And I think that we need to change that type of paradigm or thinking so that it doesn't occur.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'd like to point out something that also occurred in Texas, that Tom Coleman, the officer involved in the Tulia scandal, was nominated by his supervisors for Police Officer of the Year and was actually given that award. And that's what I'm speaking of when I refer to paradigm shift.
I hope that was before Tulia broke.
Yes, sir, it was. And I think that's part of Governor Perry's recognition of the problem of just sheer numbers of counting widgets or arrests without accomplishing anything with drug law enforcement was a failed policy, and he worked aggressively to change that.
Harlem streets stay flooded in white powder, like those motherfuckers running away from the Twin Towers. Gunshots rock the earth like a meteor shower. Bowling for Columbine, fear giving the media power. Innocence devoured like a chicken spot snack box. Government cocaine cooked into ghetto crack rock. Corrupt cops, false testimony at your arraignment. Check the